What do you do for a fresh and active morning? Have you tried yoga right in the comfort of your bed? Today I'm here to guide you through a sweet and short sequence that you can perform right in the comfort of your own bed. We will be carrying out stretches such as Uttana Shishosana, which is your puppy pose, Gomukhasana, which is cow face pose, and a lateral body stretch, which is your Parvatasana. So whether you're taking these stretches right before going to sleep or whether you're doing them first thing in the morning, when you wake up, I highly recommend them. To fix that, let's get into our puppy pose or Uttana Shishosana. This asana calms the mind, invigorates the body, improves flexibility, especially in the spine, and relieves symptoms of chronic stress. You're also stretching your arms, your hips, your upper back, and your glutes. Let's come into our Vajrasana, and from here, you're just going to walk your palms forward, and then you're just going to melt your chest into the bed. Your hips are shooting up towards the sky. Make sure your knee and hips are aligned in one straight line. Ankles are not lifted up but gently pressed against the bed. Arms are extended in front of you. You can either rest your forehead on the bed or your chin, depending on your comfort level. This should feel really good in the entire body, but more so in your back. You can perform this posture up to 3 times in the morning, holding each posture for 30 seconds. For your next pose, which is your Gomukhasana or cow face pose, you're going to come join me by sitting in your Sukhasana. Gomukhasana stretches muscles in the ankle, knees, chest and shoulders, which not only strengthens them but also improves your overall posture. In this asana, almost all your joints are moving, increasing the blood flow and providing your body with more nutrition. Once you're in your Sukhasana, you're going to try to get your knees in one line, stacking them one on top of the other. So in my case, my right knee is on top of the left. My feet are by my side. Now, you can either grab your feet with your palms or you're just going to take one arm up overhead, placing it on your shoulder blade, and the other arm goes around from down, interlocking your fingers. This is your complete Gomukhasana, your cow face pose. Let's stay here for 30 to 40 seconds before you switch to the other side. You can repeat it once on each side. This time, your left knee going on top of the right, using the opposite interlock, the more unusual one with your fingers. And if you're unable to grab your fingers, don't worry, you can just grab on to your t-shirt, which will help you eventually get your fingers closer to each other. Gomukhasana or cow face pose is excellent for giving you that stretch in your glutes all the way down to your toes. And also because we're interlocking our fingers, our shoulder mobility also improves. Remember, the goal of yoga is never to look a certain way in a posture, but to correct your alignment. Let's stretch the lateral side of the body now with Parvatasana. You're going to join me with your fingers at the side of your body, legs crossed. And from here, we're going to take our arms up overhead, making Anjali Mudra or your Namaste prayer pose at the top of your head. From here, you're just going to lean towards one side, getting a nice stretch in the left side of your body, coming back to center, leaning towards the left, getting a nice lateral stretch in the right side of your body. You can repeat Parvatasana 2 to 3 times on each side. Parvatasana is excellent for toning the sides of your body in your abdomen area especially, and it also helps in correcting minor postural issues. I hope these bedtime stretches were helpful and you continue to try them in the morning when you wake up or just before going to sleep. Stay tuned on this channel. Until then, take care and goodbye. I'll see you next time.